All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man, Jay Will. So I wanted to give you a quick video review for the cameras on the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. The rear camera does record in 4K, which I think is absolutely great. I did a stabilization test walking around as well, and it doesn't, I don't think this phone has optimal image stabilization, but I was walking through the mall and it did pretty good, man. It didn't, I guess I'll put that in this video too. It didn't do bad. It did better than I thought it was going to do, actually. So, being able to record in 4K for 200 bucks, and it actually is really good. You can actually take photos too, while you can turn that feature on and off. But when you take photos with a phone, that has, when you're recording video, the quality doesn't come out as good as you just taking a regular photo. So let's get some zoom action going here. And it zooms really, really far. And, you know, I got a shaky hand, so if I had this on a tripod, it'll be better. Let me zoom out here. There you go. But yeah, I got that old shaky hand, so it's not gonna not gonna be good. But that is the rear camera again in 4K. And let's take a look at that stabilization test I did in the mall while I was walking. So in this part of the video here, I was testing the stabilization of the rear camera, and I think the footage looks pretty decent for a camera that does not have optical image stabilization. Obviously, it's not the most buttery smooth, but it works. It's not too bad, right? What do you think?